welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS Tips and Tricks. My name is Arvind Krishnan. Today we will be looking at when one should use electrostatic solver in EMS. EMS contains two main branches of solvers. One is the electric solvers, other is the magnetic solvers. One of the solvers inside the EMS electric bundle is electrostatic. You would like to use electrostatic solvers. As the name implies, when you have sources that are static. For example, if you have charges or voltages that don't change with time, then you could use electrostatic solver. You're mainly interested in computing the electric field and electric potential distribution in your model. You have to have insulators in your model. You may or may not have conductors. Mainly, this solver is employed when you're interested in finding out the breakdown of insulators, and also if you're interested in computing the capacitance. Let us look at an example. Here I have a three-phase high voltage cable. I've got three conductors, copper conductors, which are kept at constant voltages. One of the conductor is kept at minus 10,000 volts. The other two conductors are kept at 5,000 volts. Separating the conductors are insulators that you see in blue and also in gray. And outside you have an aluminum conductor that acts as a shield. So we can compute the electric field distribution using the electrostatic solver. Here you notice regions of high electric field in the insulator. You can compare this electric field that you get to the breakdown voltage of the insulator to see if your insulator is safe. One can also take a look at the potential distribution in the model. Thank you for watching this video.